Welcome back, everyone. We are going to talk about three important things today about stress and some sort of depression that we all, I mean, it's a very common thing these days during this lockdown, during, when the life has all changed and we know, come on, everything. We know about what I am talking about. You all know. I didn't want to talk about this topic. The reason being, I tell you, I try to be as honest as possible, and because stress is something which is like very inevitable in part of our life. What is inevitable, guys? By the way, inevitable.
Always stay
My
in
board is not visible. Now it should be visible. Inevitable.
inevitable.
which could not be avoided.
Absolutely. Something which can't be avoided. Unavoidable.
Inevitable.
Unavoidable.
That's something that comes on its own without like informing or something.
Absolutely. So we can't avoid that thing. That is beyond our control, Pallavi. So now, when I'm saying stress is something which is inevitable, it means it applies in everyone's life. No matter Rahul sir interacts with 100 people, 200 people, or 300 people, at the end of the day, being a human being, right? He also gets into stressful situations at times. So I didn't want to give you a false idea or this impression that, you know what, guys, I can definitely speak in front of camera about stress, this, right? So I know the theory, how to talk about stress. I know the theory of stress management. I have attended some professional yoga classes for a month, yeah, some certification course. So I learned from experts during that time. I have also studied during my MBA days, so I can talk about it definitely. But if I try to give you something, I want to be 100% honest, and that has been my USP as of now. Yeah, let's have an open discussion on stress tonight. Before we talk about other two things, there are other two things that I have planned in today's class, guys. But now the point is, what is stress, guys? Let's try to understand first. What is stress according to you?
I
Any
think
idea?
may I?
Why not, ma'am? You are the most
Yes, sir.
experienced person here in this batch.
I think stress is something which
Excuse me.
which disturbed our lives, which disturbed our thoughts, and which disturbed our happiness.
True. Well said, ma'am.
About which we want to avoid that situation, but continuously that thoughts come in our mind, and we continuously thinking about that. we want
Absolutely.
to we want to avoid them, but these are inevitable. As
Absolutely.
you say, stress is inevitable.
I
So I
agree
think
with you.
stress, that is stress.
Well, I would like to share something. Yeah, anyone else? Yeah, Pallavi, come on. It's an open discussion, so we all are free to give. So give our opinions. Yeah.
Thank
What
you,
is
sir.
stress?
Sir, in my opinion, stress is something when we think about a particular thing, or like overthinking, when we are
Yes,
like fully focused on something and we are unable to think about something else. Then thinking about something for a longer period, it generally creates a stress,
yes.
a
That's what.
overburden. It
Yes,
burdens our mind.
mind.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Pallavi,
that's
I
what
agree
I'm
with what
saying.
I agree with what you
Yeah.
said. The reason I am raising my hand is to add something quickly to what you have said. So I just want to replace this word when you said when we are focused on one particular thing. So focus is a positive word, and stress definitely we are taking it as a negative thing. Let's
Negative.
call it obsession. When we are obsessed with something,
Okay, sir.
yeah, when we
Yes.
are
No,
obsessed with
Yes, I think
one
When
I
we
particular
are
think
thing.
the
like
same. I think the
falling.
same, which we don't want to think, but it's come
Absolutely.
continuously in our mind.
Absolutely. So I really like your answers, and you people are again speaking very intellectually on this matter. What I read about stress was, and what I feel, I would like to share two quick points with you. So, one is reality versus expectations. So, as human beings, when we expect something to happen in our way, and when that thing doesn't go as we wanted,
According
as
to
we
us.
desired. So I
According
think
to us,
it
yes.
brings some natural stress in that case. So when we expect something and then when things don't work as per our expectations, we tend to be in a stressful situation. That could be one thing. Anyway, so every person has a different way of now how to deal with it. You all have shared some beautiful ideas in the group.
So I would like to say something.
Why not?
Like when Rohit sir asked that in the group that is discipline, and then it comes to the stress.
Yeah,
So whatever I have shared, it's not just I read somewhere,
true.
but I have applied. Like
Very
there
nice.
was a phase, of course, in that lockdown period. Something was really bothering me.
True.
So what I did, I just planned my whole day. I started planning my whole day, and then I started doing these things, and it really helped.
Mhm.
Like when you are engaged in something, then obviously that thing will not come in your mind. But
True.
if you have a free time, I'm not saying that if you have free time, you can utilize that free time in some activities, like you can read, or you can like do yoga, or go for a walk with your
Absolutely.
friends, or you can talk to your friends. So yes, I did these things. That's why I was the first. So I think yes, I have done this and it really worked. So I think I
Absolutely.
should share this. That's why I shared all the points with the in the group.
And I really, really appreciate that you have shared that. Now, Pallavi
So
has
if
something to share with us, and then I will go to Rohit and one single line from my side, guys. Yeah.
Yes, sir. I am hurt. I am dying. I am alone, lonely. I am a mess. I am always judged, ignored. I am full of stress. I am confused. I am depressed. I am always misunderstood. I am tired but still living. I am hurt but won't show it. I am screaming from inside but I am silent from my face. I am in pain, but still have a smile on my face. It's none other than me. When we think of a life, it always have two phases, two colors. One at a brighter side, and one is dark one. It is something. It totally depends upon us whether we want to lead a life in a darker way, which is full of darkness, or we just want a small candle to lighten up it.
So, guys, there are 2 points that I would like to say as my opinion. Number one, just to highlight, I want to just highlight 2 points. In pointers, I will not even go into that detail. Just 2 points. Number one, yes, I personally believe, just like Ekta's experience, yes, I personally believe that some kind of physical exercise, some kind of physical activity, be it anything, and I'm mentioning physical activity means actually physical activity in terms of walking, in terms of doing something, exercise, meditation, as you have said. Physical activity means sharirik shram. Let me highlight this point here. And it burns your mental stress. That's what I believe, because there is some connection, if you talk about in some yogic terms, or in terms of yoga, or things like that. So there is this connection between your physical strength and your mental abilities. So once you are engaged in that, it burns your mental stress. It makes you forget that for some point, for some time at least. So do something, jog, walk, run, swim, just do anything. The idea is, the solution is some or the other physical activity, be it anything, whatever you like, cycling or etc., etc. Right? Because it kills stress. It definitely does. Let me share this example very openly and very transparently. I have seen that sometimes, and it happens to everyone, guys, believe me. Sometimes I felt this thing, I observed this thing when my mother, she felt.
Actually,
Absolutely. When I felt, and nobody, she never attended this kind of
I also want,
discussion.
yes, I also want to also want to talk about this.
So my point
Okay.
was, ma'am, she never attended this kind of discussions that we are having right now. She didn't read anything. She didn't read anything about stress. I am sure she did not read anything about stress, but it happens to everyone. So it, whenever I felt that she was low, or she was, this thing, feeling low spirit, I observed that she was feeling something naturally, that she said, you know what, I'm going for a walk this evening. And she actually, whenever it happened to her, she actually went for an evening walk or something like this, and then she came back. So now I can relate that thing, that why, she had that tendency, she had that urge from within naturally. Nobody told her nobody told her, and she doesn't even shared it with anyone, that she's feeling stress, but we could observe that, we could feel that. So I think, even if somebody tells you, or somebody doesn't instruct you to do that, you naturally feel to do something physical
Yes.
when you are stressed. Let
Also,
things come naturally. Don't force yourself to do something as a kind of remedy, because again it becomes stress. Then meditation will
yeah.
become a stress for you. Let it come naturally to you. Don't force
That's
yourself.
right.
When you are concentrating, your mind cannot concentrate on two things simultaneously. When you are doing something which you are passionate about, that particular moment, you are neither thinking about your past. That particular moment, you are not thinking about the future also, and you are totally engrossed in that particular work. So this is how your passion, be it dancing, as she said, dancing, writing, reading, whatever your interest areas are, this is how it helps, because that time you are living in the present moment. You are not thinking about the past, you are not thinking about the future. You are somewhere else. Maybe you are lost somewhere in the present. You are lost but in the present. That was a wonderful discussion about stress, and I'm sure I'm going to share this recorded session with everyone in the group, so that it may help people overcome their stress. At the end, we believe, as we started this whole conversation, that stress is inevitable. It is present in everyone's life, and we cannot eliminate it, but we can deal with it.